So what's up guys, this is Vihan, and so before starting the video I just want to ask you, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe because it really helps me out, blah blah blah. And then for today's video we have the how to do the push-up. So like a pro tip, where if you don't know how to do a push-up, like a regular push-up or any type of push-up, then it's not really that like great or effective if you just like drop down on the floor and start trying, and then this is what becomes of you, and then you just go. So that's not how you are actually supposed to learn it. So in today's video I'll explain to you in detail how to learn the push-up. So let's begin. So first of all, before learning the push-up, you must strengthen your shoulders, your chest, your triceps. So for that, we gotta work up to the push-up in progressions. So the first progression, which means it's like it's simpler form of push-up, which helps to train the same specific muscles, but it's not actually as hard as push-ups. Maybe like 30% of the strength you need for a push-up. So the first type of progression, let's start with the incline push-up. Yeah. So what it means, you have to get an inclined surface which is like higher than your waist level. If you're really like a really beginner, then try using the wall. So I'll demonstrate you that. So do that same thing on a wall, but since I don't have a wall near me, I'm using a ladder. Start with that. Try to rep out at least 15 in one set without stopping, and then do that for 3 sets every day. After a week, you'll start to notice that it's becoming easier, and as it's becoming easier, add 5 more reps to your sets, and then don't go below 3 sets. It doesn't matter how many you can do, just do 3 sets, but do your maximum in these 3 sets. Then once you've accomplished quite a lot in the incline push-up, slowly you'll build the strength needed to do well, it's an incline push-up, it's just like a little less inclined, so I'll show you that how that works. So hold up. So I here have a jump box. Well, don't worry guys, if you don't have anything similar to this, if you don't have a jump box, there's no need to worry. You can just use any inclined surface you have, but it should be like less inclined than the wall, similar to this height, you can say. So just anything, a chair, a table, your bed, heck, anything works. So just now here it's gonna get a little bit tougher. Okay, so try doing 10 sets of 3 every chance you get. So at a day you're supposed to do 30 push-ups. It doesn't matter if you can't do 10, just do 5 in 3 sets. It's fine. Just do any sort of like any number with your maximum. It should be your maximum. Do that in 3 sets. So I'll just show you the form. So for a start, hands here, then your body forward, your chest should be aligned with the here, and then you use your hands to go down, push up down, go down, push up, go down, push up. So, but it's important to note that your feet should not be flat on the ground, they should be on the heels. If you noticed what I did to mine, if you didn't, you can reverse the video and find out. And when you're going for the push-up, you're supposed to get your chest to touch the box. It's like not like you go down and you fully lie down and then you get up like that. No, just slightly touch it and then get yourself back up. Now do this for your maximum number of reps for 3 sets. So this is more going to build up the strength. So once you're comfortable with doing incline push-ups, these are the lower incline push-ups. So it's still incline push-up but with a lower incline. So rep out your maximum, and once you get to 15 sets of 3, once you get to that, now you can, well, not even 15, just 10 reps of 3, then you can move on to the next progression. So now we have the knee push-up. Basically, focus on my knees guys. You have your knees on the floor, slightly shoulder distance apart, you could say, or less than that actually. So let's say about this much space. Then you get your hands here, and if you don't know how far you want your hands or how close, just lie down on the floor. Make your hands close to your chest level. Sorry for my face zooming into the camera, but we'll have to make do. So just do this. Keep your hands to your side and then get up without moving your hands. Now get on your knees, fold them across them like this, if you can see here, and then do that. Then slowly come down. Keep in mind your hands should not move, your body should. So this, touch the chest, get back up. This, touch the chest, get back up. So there's that. Now once you get comfortable doing 10 sets of these, then you can move on to the actual push-up. But if you're not able to do this, go back to the first, like the most inclined push-up, the first one I taught you. Go there, do at least 20 if you can, otherwise work your way up to 20, and then at least do 20 of 3 sets. Then you go to this lower inclined push-ups again. If you can't do 20 yet, then do 15, it's alright. Do 15 for 3 sets, or like do 4 sets, that's all that matters. 15 for 4 sets. Then once you're feeling your pump, so then take like a minute rest or 2 minutes rest, and then get down on the floor and start doing all these knee push-ups. So I hope you've understood the form, and once you do 15 times 3 of these knee push-ups, which is 45 push-ups with 3 sets, then you can work your way up to the push-up. So now let's learn the push-up. So let's look at the form here. Basically it's just a knee push-up. Your hands start on the floor, shoulder width, go up, don't move your hands, and then now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on your heels like this. You're gonna lean slightly forward so that your chest aligns with your shoulders. Slightly forward, not that much also. Shoulder width distance of your legs, and then what you're gonna do, slowly go down, get up. That's it. So if you've done what I've correctly told you to do in the first 3 steps, then correct, you've just learned your first push-up. And if you haven't, as I said, start from the first push-up and then go work your way up to the knee push-up. Once you're comfortable with 15, start doing this push-up. Now guys, I know it's gonna take a bit of time, so you have to have patience. You're not gonna learn the full push-up in just a week, unless you have good amount of upper body strength and you just need to know the form. But if you're a complete beginner, then it's gonna take you at least a month or maybe 2 months. Heck, it took me about a month to learn the full push-up, and now I can do many types of push-ups, such as when you've learned the push-up, you can strengthen your fingertips doing this, or that. I'm struggling a lot because I'm really sick, I'm sorry. Or this. And one day even you learn the push-up. But fortunately I can't because I'm sick, but I'll do it when I'm one finger support. So there, you'll get to there soon enough. Do what I told you here, practice all the different types until you can get 15 knee push-ups in a row without stopping. I'm pretty sure you can do like 3-4 push-ups by then, but if not, even 1 is fine. Or if you still struggle with the full push-up and you have done 15 knee push-ups, then go for the negative push-up. So what you're going to do, same push-up position, go like this. You can go down and then just stop and then take your knees support together. Then again, go down, stop, take your knee support. Go down, stop, take your knee support. So there we have the different types of push-ups. I hope you've enjoyed the video. and soon enough you'll get your first push-up. I know you have it. You have it in you, King. I just know it. And get comfortable with all the different types, and then you'll have your first push-up. And if you do, then that's just your happiness to celebrate. And then I'll know that I've helped actually someone to doing the push-up. So that's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna stop it there, and if you guys need another like part or don't understand some steps, like just comment and I'll make another video. Thank you so much.